Guess what? It's time to take down Christmas.
We're doing it right now.
Yeah. I love Christmas, and normally I don't take Christmas down this soon, but I'm just really feeling like I loved it. I enjoyed it. I'm not sad that it's over because I just want to keep moving forward until February. You know what I mean? So I am going to take Christmas down today and just get things freshened up because I'm hoping over January and February I'm just in full nesting mode and can get this place cleaned up and ready for a new baby. So starting today, Gage is not home. He went skiing with Cooper. So I'm just going to make a pile of things that he's going to have to take downstairs because he's the strongest. And so that'll be a fun welcome home. Casey's also here, so I know Casey will do a lot. Casey's actually been on a cleaning kick. Have you guys noticed that? He cleaned the garage. He's cleaned up the kitchen every single night. So yeah, he cleaned Layla's room the other night. It's like, what? He cleaned the closet. He cleaned like all of his drawers out and got rid of clothes that don't fit or he doesn't wear. Like,
You cleaned your room?
yeah, he cleaned Layla's room. It's like, I need some of that motivation. Are you ready to help take down Christmas?
No.
Too bad, everyone.
Stanley down.
Too bad. Rayleigh just started 75 hard. How wild is that?
That's the worst decision I've ever made.
It's gonna be hard for probably about 75 days.
A gallon of water? I feel like I'm about to explode. I only drink one Stanley.
Well,
I have
yeah,
to drink
you
three
just have
of
to
these.
like
Oh my
give
gosh.
it some time. You'll pee it all out.
But I drink this in one sitting.
Good job. You'll be peeing nonstop.
My water, my pee will be very...
Yeah, well, I have probably mentioned this a million times. I crave water since being pregnant. I love it so much, but I can only drink like a glass with like that much water in there or I get sick. And all I want to do, I just think that sounds like the best thing ever to be able to drink a gallon of water a day. Do you remember after I had Winston that I drank so much water and ate so many chocolate chip cookies?
I remember the chocolate chip cookies in the bag.
Yeah, and then I would
Those
just
are
drink
so
like
good.
cases of water. If you're sick when you're pregnant after you have the baby, it's like you feel like a new person, like on top of the world. And when I'm nursing, that's when all of my cravings come back. So I'm not like one of the lucky ones that nurses and like loses baby weight. When I'm nursing, I gain a little more weight and I keep it on until I'm done nursing or about a year into nursing.
For my diet, I'm doing no gluten. So if you have any recommendations for gluten-free recipes, let us know.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. If there's like any blogs or anything that you follow that have, you should look on Pinterest. Just look, like, use the hashtag.
Or like
gluten-free
yummy bread that
recipes.
you guys like.
Yeah.
Bread?
It's gluten-free.
Yeah. Last time you cut out gluten when we did all that testing, everyone was great to send recommendations.
All I ate was hot Cheetos though.
Do not eat hot
It's
Cheetos.
so cold right now.
It is. I thought that someone turned the heat up. I'm hot. Winston got this sloth from Braley, and he wants it to be like an elf on a shelf. But what did you call it? A sloth on a shelf?
Yeah.
And Winston's planning on moving the sloth around for us to find. Everyone misses Jack. I miss Layla being so excited. First thing when I would wake her up, she'd be like, "Where's Jack?" And that makes me sad that that's over. And Winston was always excited. He was good at finding Jack. Okay, let's get.
Or we could take a 30-minute nap.
Okay, does everyone want to take a break? I need to edit or finish
Yeah,
editing.
let's do it after you edit.
Okay, 30 minutes and everyone's gonna be right back here. Go team,
Can
okay?
you cut my hair after?
Go team.
I'll cut your hair when we're done putting Christmas away. Yeah. Hands in, Braley. 1, 2, 3, go team! Did Christmas even happen in here? I don't even think so. Look at that. We got it all taken down. The only remaining Christmas item is Rosie's toy. It feels so empty in here, but I also kind of love it. It feels like fresh. I was just looking at my decorations and thinking, do I need to change them up? I probably won't worry about it until after the baby gets here. But what would you do on the sides? I've thought about shelves. I've thought about different things. I do really like having a chair right here. So, I don't know. Or is it fine? Is it weird because it doesn't match? I don't know. But we did successfully get all of Christmas taken down and enjoyed the banister for a couple of days before we took that down also. Hey girlfriend,
Hi.
how was school?
Good.
Were you happy to go back?
Yeah. So
Was it hard to go back? Kind of, yeah. What was the hardest part?
Probably to leave Rosie.
To leave Rosie.
And to leave you.
Yeah, I missed you so much today.
Same.
Okay, well, where are we going right now?
Ulta.
Why?
Because they're so De Janeiro.
Lotion?
Yeah.
And Layla has been wanting it so bad.
Yeah, because
so we're gonna go see if they have it. I
so
actually
good.
want some too, and Casey, thanks, got me a gift card. Whoop whoop. So, we're gonna go.
I have
And Layla has some Christmas money.
in my bag, and I have my Sephora card. Whenever we go.
Whenever we go, you're ready? Yeah.
I'm ready. I even have clothes packed in here, just in case.
You're so funny. Okay.
Actual clothes packed in here.
She has actual clothes packed in there.
Oh, good.
Just in,
You never know.
she doesn't. Oh my gosh, I missed you all day today, Layla. That's why. You're hilarious. Okay, we'll be back.
We'll be back.
The baby has hiccups. You could see them. Oh, I think he stopped. Of course. It's like, I'm gonna hurry and grab the camera so you can see the baby has the hiccups. I haven't noticed that he has ever had the hiccups before. I remember my other babies having the hiccups, especially Gage. One time that I specifically remember is Casey's grandpa Eugene passed away and we were at his funeral. And I remember we were sitting there and I could feel Gage had the hiccups. It just felt like a sweet moment because we were planning on naming Gage after Grandpa Eugene. So we always knew that his middle name was gonna be Eugene. We were pretty sure about the name Gage, but not for sure that's the name I wanted. That was like always my favorite boy name. But anyways, that was just a sweet moment. So anytime my babies get the hiccups, it makes me think of that moment. And it's just so cute. He's moving around like crazy. Holy moly. I'm so grateful because I know he's okay. If there's ever a time during the day when I can't feel him, I'm like, oh no, because he's just moving all the time. But then if I stop, I can feel him moving around in there. Today was a busy day. I'm finishing up a brand deal that I'm really excited about. It's with Verizon. I've always had Verizon ever since I've had a cell phone. So it was really exciting when they reached out and wanted to work together. And the deals have been really fun to put together. We did one with Braylee over Thanksgiving and just getting this one finished up and doing some fun things around the house. The timing's just really great because I'm needing to get little things done to get ready for the baby, which I was really reminded of today. We ran to Walmart and I was getting a few baby items because I'm putting together a little cart to put all the baby stuff in, just to keep in here. And I was walking up and down the baby aisles and I got so overwhelmed that I felt like I could have just sat down and cried. Because I was just like, oh my gosh, we're having a baby, we have nothing. It feels overwhelming to look at everything and think, oh, I need this and I need that and I need this. Because in my mind, I was like, what does a baby really need? I feel like with each of my babies, I've had too much stuff because I thought that I needed this bouncer that would calm the baby down, and then none of my babies liked a bouncer. All my babies like a swing. So I had that on my list. I need a swing, I need a bassinet, I need diapers. And then I just kind of felt like, and then outfits and a couple blankets and we would be good. And I was walking up and down the aisles thinking, oh my gosh, I need a bathtub and I need washcloths and I need all of these things. And it felt a little overwhelming because it's been a while. I know this is my 5th baby. I should have this like down and know what I'm doing, but I don't feel that way right now because it's been so long. So I plan on going back and watching actually some of my old videos. I know I made a video of all of my favorite things that I used with Layla, so I need to go back and look at that because also I need like things for nursing. I just don't have any of those things because I think what I'm doing is thinking about the end of Layla being a baby when things were just kind of like easier, and I forget about like the fresh baby stage. I don't know. I know I need more than I'm thinking. So I would love to hear some of your favorite things. If you've had a baby recently, what were some of your must-haves? Because I feel like I'm blanking and I just need to make a list and get everything checked off and then I'll feel so much better. I did get lotion. Oh, that's another thing. If you have a favorite baby lotion, let me know. I got diapers, wipes, and like a little booger sucker, a little booger picker. And I do have some outfits, but I know I'm missing some things. So let me know some of your favorite baby items. I'm gonna watch my old video. I'm gonna look at some other videos so that hopefully I feel a little more ready, because right now I feel really overwhelmed. It really did just kind of stress me out a little bit. I got home and I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm not ready. We have less than 2 months now, which is so exciting, and I feel ready to have the baby and to have him here, but I feel so unprepared. So that was eye-opening today. I'm also really tired, so I know I need a good night's sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna regroup, make a list, and hopefully start checking things off. But I did get my cart put together. It's really cute. And I did a little snack cart too. Casey just came in and he was teasing me about it. He was like, is this like at the hospital and we're just gonna cart this in and out for you? I'm like, no, I'm gonna leave my snacks right here by the bed. Anyway, if you will, just leave your favorite baby item, something that you had to have, something that is a must-have on a baby list. Let me know. And then also, hopefully we come up with a name. I do plan on filming a video this week of all of my family's favorite names, and maybe that can help narrow it down. I just have no idea what we're naming this baby. I also watched my baby name list that I made with Layla, and there are still a few names on there that I really like, but I just don't know. Just nothing has felt like, yes, that's his name. So that's another thing that's a little stressful, thinking that he's going to be here in a couple months and he has no name. I hope you all had a good day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.